Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 8 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 12. Today we will read this chapter and today we also do creative question and answer of this chapter. Let's see today's topic from here. Students, our today's topic is chapter 12 and in our previous class we have already read some part of this chapter. Today we will read the rest of part of this chapter, and this is today we will also do creative question number 1 and 2. This is lecture number 11 and HW number is 9 number HW. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, here is page number 129 and this is lesson 5. The movement of an artificial satellite. For the orbital motion of a satellite around the Earth, there must be a centripetal force working inwards. This force comes from the Earth's gravitational attraction. The calculation shows that to launch a satellite into an orbit round the Earth, a speed of about 8 kilometers per second is needed. This speed is achieved by using a multi-stage launching system. As the first stage motion uses up its fuel, it drops off. So the second stage rocket does not carry its weights. The speed is increased stage but by stage because at lower atmosphere, the air friction is larger for the higher density of air. This can create enormous heat and burn the rocket. To understand how an artificial satellite orbits the Earth, you can do the following experiment. Students, you can do this experiment by yourself at home. Now we will read lesson 6 and 7. The importance and uses of artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are used for different purposes. They are named according to their uses. For example, communication satellite, weather satellite, Earth observation satellite, military satellite, navigation satellite, and astronomical satellite. Communication satellite. We often communicate with the outside world over telephone. When we use the telephone, the signal is sent through a dish antenna, a radio wave, to an artificial satellite. The satellite transmits the radio signal to the antenna to the receiving country. From there, it reaches the telephone of the person with whom we are talking. We also watch different cultural functions and games like World Cup or Olympic Games held in various countries through artificial satellites. It works in the same way where the signal is first sent to a satellite from a dish antenna, which in its turn sends it to our dish antenna. Finally, the information is shown in our television. Here the satellite works as a relay station. Weather satellites. The satellites transmit images of the weather and Earth's environment. They help to show that the ozone layer was being depleted. The news that we get through radio, television and newspaper are obtained by the use of weather satellites. It is due to weather satellites that the weather forecast is possible about rainfall, wind and cyclone is possible quite in advance. Earth observation satellite. These satellites can give us clean picture of Earth's surface because it can take photographs from high altitude and can observe the position of the ships in the sea and possible leakage of oil from ship causing pollution. They can observe the fields of crops over vast area and find out where crops are growing well and where there is invasion of insects. Earth observation satellites are also used for discovering minerals and locate mountains and forests with great accuracy. Now, military satellite. These satellites are used by governments for military purposes. These act as spies in the sky and used to locate enemy positions and to find out whether there is any preparation for invasion by the enemy. Now, navigation satellite. We travel by car, trains, ships and planes. Navigation satellites are used to locate the exact positions of vehicles. Navigation satellites are used to locate the exact position of vehicles, especially when they are lost or accidents happens. Astronomical satellite. Astronomical satellites are used to observe the planets, stars, galaxies and all objects in the sky by carrying telescope must observe the atmosphere. This gives better visibility because light rays are not scattered by the air molecules of the atmosphere. Students, now come to here. This is page number 132. MCQ of this chapter. 1 number MCQ here is, how many satellites are there in Jupiter? Answer is D number, 67. And 2 number is, galaxy is, here is 3 option. A vast number of stars in the universe which are bound by the gravitational force. And 2 number option, the empty space between the planets and the stars. 3 number, the heavenly objects that revolve around the stars. Answer is 1 number, A number. A vast number of stars in the universe which are bound by the gravitational force. Now come to here, this is page number 133 and here is a table, artificial satellite MNOP and the function of this satellite. M function is determining the presence of iceberg along the path of the ship. N function is determining the position of a plane in the sky, and O function is exploring unknown information about the universe, and P is gathering information about the insects attacking crops by photography. 3 question is, which is the satellite N? Determining the position of a plane in the sky is B number option is correct answer, navigation satellite. And the 4 number, based on the uses given in the table, which 2 satellites are of the same types? M and P. M and P. Answer is D number. Now students, we will solve the creative question answer of this chapter. This is creative question number 1. Here is a stem. Look at here, the merchant baker here through radio from a fishing boat that cyclone is likely to come in the north of the Bay of Bengal. It can hit the shore at any moment. At the Cox's Bazar, coast danger signal 3 is announced and fishing boats are asked to stay at the shore. A number question is, what is artificial satellite? B number question is, what do you understand by the term universe? And C number question is, where from the radio office got the information about the cyclone, how the merchant is benefited. D number question is, how the merchant baker can warn the coastal people about the news. Give explanation. Now students, come to here. This is A number answer. A number question was, what is artificial satellite? Answer is, an artificial satellite is a human built object which orbits the earth maintaining a regular repeating path. Now B number answer. B number question was, what do you understand by the term universe? Answer is, the universe contains everything from the tiniest insects and dust to the greater objects like Earth, other planets, the nearest and the furthest stars, comets, galaxies, in short, all the things that are visible or invisible to us compares the universe. The shape and size of the universe is unknown to all. The celestial objects are dispersed in the space. The universe has billions of galaxies. Also, there are innumerable stars in the empty space named outer space. Now, C number answer. Question was, where from the radio office got the information about the cyclone, how the merchant is benefited? Answer is, radio office get the information about the cyclone from the weather satellite. The merchant baker came to know about the situation from the weather forecast for upcoming cyclone telecast on the radio channels. This news benefited him in many ways, including the following. One number is, his boat was saved from sinking and he himself had managed to take shelter at a safe place. 2 number, his belongings and valuable goods were less damaged. 3 number, he saved other fishermen by leading them to the nearest cyclone shelter center. 4 number, also he could protect his family by letting them know about the shelter center. D number. Now D number answer. Question was, how the merchant baker can warn the coastal people about the news. Give explanation. Answer is, weather satellites provide the information about the condition of weather for that particular day and for some days is advanced. Merchant baker and coastal people knew about the cyclone that was created to the north of the Bay of Bengal, which may hit the shore at any moment. After getting the weather news, merchant baker stays closer to the shore for catching fish. Coastal people can take action to stop huge loss of their goods and properties. They can also take shelter in the cyclone shelter center to protect themselves from tidal bores created by cyclone. People living in the lowland area can take shelter in the shelter center quickly. Thus, weather forecast can alert the coastal people and port merchant by forecasting through radio. Now students, we will solve the creative question number 2. Question, here is the stem, this is the P and here is Q and this one is R. Question A is, what is outer space? B number question is, what is the differences between the moon and the artificial satellite? C number, what types of satellite is P? D number, give a comparative discussion on P, Q and R satellite. A number answer is, question was, what is outer space? Answer is, outer space is the area outside the Earth's atmosphere where the other planets, Milky Ways, galaxies and stars are situated. B number answer. Question was, what is the differences between the moon and the artificial satellite? Answer is, here is the differentiate table. Right side here is the moon and the artificial satellite. Left side is the moon and the artificial satellite is the right side. 1 number point is, the moon is a natural satellite of Earth, and here is 1 number point, artificial satellites are made by human. 2 number, the moon is made up of dust, rocks and interstellar clouds. And here is 2 number, artificial satellite is constructed by different metals. 3 number, the moon revolves around the earth at a natural constant velocity maintaining a particular orbit. 3 number, here is the constant velocity is created artificially for artificial satellites. 4 number, the moon is way larger than existing artificial satellites. Here is 4 number, artificial satellites are smaller in size. Now C number, question was what type of satellite is P? Answer is, in the picture P is called the heart of the solar system, which is known as the sun. It has its own light and heat. It is a gaseous lump that continuously produces light and heat. There are 8 planets which revolve around the sun. These planets are located at different distances from the sun and they are solely dependent on the sun for light. Each of the 8 planets has their own definite orbit around the sun. The nearest planet from the sun is Mercury and the nearest star is Alpha Centauri. Now D number question was give a comparative discussion on P, Q and R satellites. Answer is in the picture P is the sun, Q is the earth and R is the moon. The sun is a star, earth is a planet of the sun and the moon is a satellite of the earth. The earth moves around the sun and the moon is revolving around the earth. The moon and earth have light of their own. The sun lights up the moon and the earth. Intervening distance between the sun and the earth is approximately 15 crore kilometer, 150 million. A total time of 8 minutes and 20 seconds is needed for the light to travel from the sun to the earth. According to their size, the sun is the largest and then comes the earth and the moon is the smallest among these 3. The main components of the sun is hydrogen and helium gases. For the earth, the elements are oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. And the moon has argon, helium and hydrogen gases as its constituents. Students, now I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 9 number HW and your HW will be creative question number 2. D number. D number will be your HW. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your SN HW in your HW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.